Hi everyone, I just got a really quick video and to show you how to curl your ribbon with wrapping paper, the same paper that you're going to be wrapping all your presents with. So using any type of wrapping paper, it could be heavy or it could be the ones from the dollar store. I like to cut me a rectangle, so I usually cut half of the length of the wrapping paper. This also depends on how big you want your ribbon to be. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold it down and then just fold it on the side just like this. Now you have two sides, so you have the folded side on the top and the non-folded side, which has all of the loose paper at the bottom. You're going to take your scissors and you're just going to want to cut strips from the non-folded side up to the folded side. You don't want to go all the way. Maybe leave about half an inch as far as space-wise to the top. Now hold your scissors upward with the blades facing up and open. So we're going to use this side of the scissors, and all you're going to do is you're going to take a piece of the paper and you're going to take your thumb and that blade, put the paper in between and just curl it up just like this. Make sure you use your other thumb to hold the bottom of that paper up so that it doesn't rip, because we are still using paper and ribbon is a little bit more easier to curl because it's stronger. After curling all those strips, you want to take the middle and open it up like this, and then we're just going to roll it up from the bottom all the way to the top and take a piece of tape and wrap it all the way around. Now you can shape this more into a circular bow and make it even more fluffy, and you can curl any of the pieces that you want. I took the same wrapping paper and I cut two thin strips, which I am going to put on each side so that I can make it look like a ribbon is wrapped all the way around my present. I like this idea because I usually spend like $1 or $2, maybe even more sometimes, for these ribbons, and now I can just use the same paper and it works just as well and looks just as good, if not better, than the ribbons that you can buy from Dollar Tree, and you can make it as fluffy and as thick as you want. You can even take longer pieces and make even longer ribbons and attach it after. Also make thick or thin ribbon, and it's absolutely amazing how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you comment down below and let me know what you think of this tutorial. I got a couple more wrapping ideas for you this week, so make sure you tune in. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.